Hey folks, so lately I've been trying to prove the relevance of locating where a number falls on the composite numbers chart. Today I'm going to do this using Saturn as an example. We'll start with some familiar territory. Saturn, the planet, was named after the Roman god of time. A number associated with the planet Saturn and with time is 6. The increments of time in a day: 60 seconds per minute, 6 plus 0. 60 minutes per hour, 6 plus 0. 24 hours per day, 2 plus 4. Those break down to 6. And many people, including myself, were taught at an early age that Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. If you add all the numbers up from 1 through 6, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, the sum is 21. Using the reduction Gematria cipher, Saturn equals 21. I've included the cipher chart below. You can see how Saturn equals 21. In this other cipher, the keypad cipher, time equals 21. And once again, the cipher chart is down below. This is the cipher that represents the alphanumeric buttons on your telephone. So time equals 21. And locate the number 21 on the composite numbers chart and see where it falls. Many people in the Gematria decoding community talk about the importance of prime number relationships. Something equals 21. Oh, what's the 21st prime number? These things are connected. Well, looking at the composite numbers chart, 21 is the 12th composite. And in the description box, I'll probably leave a link for this clip from the Big Bang Theory. This character, Sheldon, talks about these connections with 21 and 12 and the Chuck Norris of numbers, which is the prime number relationship to 21. So again, 21 is the 12th composite number. 12 is an important number in some circles for measurement. Think about horoscopes, zodiacs, clocks. 12 months per year, 12 recognized zodiac signs. I know, people ignore Ophiuchus, the 13th, but in the mainstream horoscope books and whatnot, they talk about these 12 and think about the Chinese zodiac and the 12 and 12 hours AM, 12 hours PM. Look at where 12 falls on the composite numbers chart. Notice 12 is the 6th composite number. 6, again, a number connecting with Saturn and time. Again, we're told that Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. The word Saturn equals the 6th triangular number in reduction gematria. And if you look at the 21st triangular number, Saturnalia equals the 21st triangular number, 231. And this is using the capitals mixed cipher. This is a case-sensitive cipher. It depends on what letters you capitalize. The capital S, like people would normally capitalize the first letter of the word, sometimes capitalize the whole entire word, but here the first letter is capitalized. Saturnalia equals 231. For those unaware, Saturnalia is the ancient Roman festival of Saturn. And once again, with the capital letter S, Saturnalia equals 231. Now let's look at the 231st composite number. Somebody in a previous video asked me if there was a lookup service to find out where the number falls on the numbers chart. instead of just counting it out one by one. I don't know of such a service. If anybody knows of a service like that, please, feel free to leave a comment. But yeah, just looking at the chart that I have included in the middle of the screen here, it's the last row. The 231st number is in the last row. It's 294, which reminds me of the orbital period of Saturn. If you do a simple internet search, I suppose everybody's Google might show you something different, but first thing I see is the estimate 29.4 Earth years. Some of us might forget that decimal point, just like a date, you forget the slash. You just say, oh, 294, okay, 294. You look at this chart of composite numbers to see where 294 can fit in with all this. The Saturn orbit, 29.4 Earth years. 294 is the 231st composite. Again, Saturnalia, ancient Roman festival of Saturn. Using the capital S, Saturnalia equals 231. 231 is the 21st triangular, and 21 is the 6th triangular number. Saturn, the 6th planet. And again, it's worth repeating that the 6th composite number is 12. Think about 12 numbers on the clock. 12 hours in the morning, 12 hours AM, 12 hours PM, 12 months in the year, 12 zodiac signs. 12th composite number is 21. Remember the Chuck Norris of numbers clip I'm going to leave in the description box? With the keypad cipher time equals 21. Of course, Saturn was known as God of Time.